Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today, I want to talk about the proofs of genuine marriage. We at Visa Harmony, we provide assistance with certain U.S. petitions and immigration applications. We have first-hand experience. I am an immigrant myself. I came to the USA on a K-1 visa in 2013, went through the entire U.S. immigration process. First the fiancé petition, then the adjustment of status, removal of conditions, and I became a naturalized U.S. citizen in 2017. I will leave our contact information below. If you're applying for a green card based on a marriage to a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident or green card holder, you must show that your marriage is not only valid but also genuine. This means that you married your spouse for love and not for immigration purposes. In this video, I will explain what kind of evidence you need to submit with your spouse petition application and what kind of questions you may face at your interview. When you file your Form I-130 petition for alien relative for your spouse, you must include a copy of your marriage certificate to prove that your marriage is legally valid. However, this is not enough to prove that your marriage is genuine. You also need to provide additional documents that show that you and your spouse have a real relationship and share a life together. These documents may include, number 1, proof of joint finances, such as joint bank accounts, joint tax returns, joint credit cards, joint loans, joint insurance policies, or joint property documents. Number 2, proof of joint residence, such as joint lease agreements, joint utility bills, joint mortgage statements, or driver's licenses showing the same address. Number 3, proof of joint children, such as birth certificates, adoption decrees, or custody agreements. Number 4, proof of joint travel, such as travel itineraries, tickets, hotel reservations, or passport stamps. Number 5, proof of joint social activities, such as photos of you and your spouse together with family and friends, invitation to events or parties, or membership cards for clubs or organizations. Number 6, proof of communication, such as phone records, text or chat messages, emails, letters, or social media posts. Number 7, proof of relationship history, such as evidence of how you met, how long you dated, how you got engaged, or how you planned your wedding. You do not need to submit all of these documents, but you should submit as much as possible to show a variety of aspects of your relationship. You should also submit documents that cover different periods of time before and after your marriage. The more evidence you provide, the stronger your case will be. At the interview, the officer will ask questions about your relationship and your marriage. The questions may vary depending on your situation and the officer's discretion, but they may include: how did you meet? How long did you date before getting married? How did you propose or accept the proposal? What did you do for your wedding? Where do you live and what kind of place do you live in? How do you share household responsibilities and expenses? What are your hobbies and interests? What are your plans for the future? How do you communicate with each other when you are apart? Do you have any children or plan to have any children? You should answer these questions honestly and consistently. You should also bring any documents that support your evidence of a genuine marriage. The officer may ask to see these documents and compare them with the copies that you submitted with your application. If the officer is satisfied with your answers and documents, they may approve your application on the spot or within a few days. If the officer is not satisfied or has doubts about your marriage, they may ask for more evidence. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions on this topic, please post them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.